In this video, we are going to show you how to install this dashcam power adapter provided by FitDVR for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. This adapter supports 12 volt and 5 volts output. It does have a nice 0.77-inch OLED display. You can monitor live current and voltage. Includes your Y cable adapter, your trim pry tool, and 6 different cables depending on your need. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So here I have my rear view mirror. I plan on mounting my FitDVR around here. That way I have a good view of the OLED screen. First, you just want to take out this housing here. Use one finger, push down. And then these two here, you just want to push it down this way. For this Toyota Sequoia, we're going to unclip this 10-pin harness. Let's go ahead and bring this down. Just like that. Then you're going to take your Y cable. We're going to plug in the white one into that original location. Then the OEM harness, we're going to plug it into the other end. Okay, then we're going to want to tuck this in. Then we go ahead and leave that out. Now you can place the housing back on. And remove the adhesive from here and mount it just like so. Make sure it's aligned nice and straight and push firmly. Now let's go ahead and plug this end. Tuck in all the wiring. And then you can cover it up. Now that it's connected, let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. You can see you have your OLED screen showing us 5.05 volts. Right now nothing's connected, so we have 0 amps. Use any of your supplied cables, then plug in your device. Stay tuned. In the next video, I'll install a FitDVR dashcam to plug into this unit. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.